Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we learn about materia pickens, which come in footnote to aphorism 11 and footnote number 163 to aphorism 282. Materia pickens means the material cause of the disease. The allopathic system says that disease and its causes are something material. जो allopathic system रहती है वो क्या कहती है, जो डिसीज़ है और जो उसका कॉज है वो एक कुछ ना कुछ मटेरियल है. In the allopathic system of medicine, the causes of disease are bacteria, virus, and other microorganisms. They also consider that disease is also something material in nature. एलोपैथिक सिस्टम में जो है कि डिसीज़ का कॉज क्या रहता है, बैक्टीरिया, वायरस और अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. और एक वो क्या कंसिडर करते हैं कि जो डिसीज़ है वो भी कुछ ना कुछ मटेरियल के नेचर में है. दैट इज़ अल्सर, द वॉर्ड, द ट्यूमर, the eruption, etc. are the disease. Put in simple word, the allopathic system consider the cause of the disease and disease itself as something that can be seen with naked eye or with the help of microscope. According to homeopathy, this is not true. ये सही नहीं है. In homeopathy, we consider that diseases are caused due to derangement of vital force. Aphorism number 12. The bacteria, virus, and other microorganisms are not the cause of the disease. Similarly, the ulcers, warts, eruptions, etc. are not the disease, but the result of disease. In aphorism 30, Dr. Hahnemann has stated that this is considered as it is by the allopathist as a thing separate from the living whole, from the organism and its animating vital force, and hidden in the interior, be it of ever so subtle a character, is an absurdity. The allopaths consider the disease to have a separate material existence, something that can exist and can be shown outside the human body. Dr. Hahnemann says that disease cannot have a separate existence outside the human body. So we say that there are no disease but only diseased individuals. Homeopathy considers the derangement of the vital force as the cause of disease, not any material. Thank you.